I'm Helen. Oh, it's afternoon, so I have my tea, milk tea, and I saw the mirror and I have the blackhead on my nose, so I try to do Kkoco Pack. Kkoco Pack is the the pack for the remove the nose sebum. So the brand is from answer 19, and it is the one Kkoco Pack have 3 steps. So this packet, this one, okay. So number 1, let's see what is inside. It's it's looking like a bag. Yes. So usually the sebum is around your nose and here, and then what they say is if you scrub the pad, you can see the bubble. So this first step 1 is the soaking your sebum. So we do like a drop. Then you wait for 15 minutes. Give some time your sebum is soaked and soft. I will be back after 15 minutes. Hi, I'm back. During 15 minutes my nose become like this. So next step is I remove this bubble pad. Then they ask, go and wash your face, but I just prepared the wet towel. Yeah. Make sure it's not slippery. Hi, now 15 minutes pass. I'm very sick. Oh, here the patch, I feel like it's like a bone cast. It's very hard. Then oh, I wish it's not painful. Whoop. I don't want to show you. Yes, what I can tell you is I'm very successfully fishing my nose sebum. Then now what is the step 3? Is that this is ampoule to calm down and tighten your pore, because just now you soaking and put some patch and then drying and remove. Yeah, so your nose a bit it's not painful, but yeah, I can see there's the stimulations there. So this is the ampoule. What is the function is the tightening and also making softening of your pores. So it's like a jelly. It's not watery, it's like a gel type. Yes, it's cool. Hey, why not? Time I manage my nose sebum, and these days my 2 kids, they are teenagers now, getting more pimples around, and I see they have the blackhead around their nose. So during the weekend I'm going to help the fishing their nose sebum as well for my kids. Okay, have you enjoyed my video? Please subscribe and like it. See you.